Let's dive right into the experience that is pure art, pure style, and pure exclusivity. Let's go. First, let's talk about the box. It's not just packaging, it's an experience. Check out this monogrammed LV print with golden accents. Virgil Abloh's touch is unmistakable. This is next level. The presentation screams luxury, from the branded wrapping to the attention to detail. Now, let's unveil the star of the show. Let's break down what makes this pair a masterpiece. The clean white leather is premium LV craftsmanship, and check out these details: the embossed Louis Vuitton monogram, the off-white inspired Helvetica text along the sole, and that classic silver swoosh. Virgil's iconic Air branding and quotation marks bring it all together. So, what is Rep Sneaker? It's an online platform dedicated to providing sneaker enthusiasts with premium replicas that deliver on style, comfort, and affordability. Their collection features iconic designs from the world's most popular brands, crafted with attention to detail to mirror the originals. Whether you're into Air Jordans, sleek slides, or trendy apparel, Rep Sneaker has you covered. Now, let's talk about the Rsnow Christmas and New Year giveaway and their New Year deals. From December 26th to January 3rd, you can grab Jordan 4s for just $79. Jordan 1X Travis Scott for $89. Barnsinga Runners for $139. Plus, there are discount codes: use 2025 for 14% off all orders. Spend over $225 and use New Year for 18% off. Want to join the giveaway? Here's what you can win. First prize, a pair of shoes valued up to $130. Second prize, a stylish tracksuit. Third and fourth prizes, a 27% off coupon. Here's how to enter: follow their Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok accounts. Post their giveaway poster on your Instagram or TikTok with the hashtag #RSNOW and tag their accounts. Write a glowing review on Trustpilot. Winners will be announced on January 8th via their Discord. So, make sure to join their giveaway channel and keep those screenshots ready as proof. Alright, sneaker fans, don't miss out on these incredible deals and this exciting giveaway. Visit repsneaker.net today, link is in the description box below.